Here are some things you might see on a trip to Grant's Farm. First, you need to board the tram. Here we can see General Grant's home. Here we can see our nation's bird, the bald eagle. You can even feed the camels. Wow, look, they even have an elephant. When you come, you have to make sure that you get to see the Great Bird Show. On a hot day, it's always great to cool off in the water. Here are some of the carriages that the Bush family has owned. Nothing beats good food and cold drinks with the family. And of course, you can't forget a great souvenir from the trip. And of course, you can't forget to go across the parking lot and see the Clydesdales.